my lovers. It's been a while, I know, but there we are. That was Christmas and New Year and all that crap, so Happy New Year to you all. Anyway, just going to do a quick video on how to make a sparge arm. Now, I'm not going to take credit for this because I've seen this on another video at Bald Bastard Brewing, I think. Shane Johnson, I believe his name is. We haven't been formally introduced, but I believe that is his name. So he did it on, well, he showed sort of how it was sort of put together, but it wasn't sort of like a how-to video. So this is my intention today. So what I'm going to do is I have this spray ball that I use on occasion when I'm recirculating through the herms. So I've got a cam lock fitting with a 1/2 inch male thread on it, and then this fitting here is 1/2 inch female to 15mm compression, bit of copper, and then this is just a compression elbow. That's all it is, and then it's just screwed on there. So what we're going to use is another one of those, that one there. That's going to screw on there. We're going to have a little bit of copper coming off of there, like that, and that's going to go down to a 15mm compression tee. Now on this one, can you see that? I've drilled a hole at the bottom of it. Okay, so we've got a bit of copper pipe. We've got 2 compression stop ends. I was thinking of soldering stop ends on, but actually it's better. I can undo these and clear out the arm if any grain gets stuck in it. And where's that gone? There it is. A little bit of copper wire. Okay, so this came out of some 4mm, sort of like twin and earth cable, 4mm twin and earth cable. So this is the earth cable, so it's not sleeved, so and it's nice and thick, and that's going to go through the compression tee. So I'm going to get started, and I will drop the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Right then. So we're just going to put a little bit of solder on the end of the wire. So we're going to go through a gentle flame. There we are. Where are we? There we go. Right, okay. Right, so we've got our little bit of solder on the end of the wire. Is that focusing? Yeah, okay. So we're going to thread that through the hole. And it's just going to come up like that. So that is just going to hang there like that. And it's going to spin. Okay, right. Next bit coming up. Right, so now we're going to solder the copper wire inside the pipe. Okay, so what we got now, we got the copper wire soldered to the copper pipe, and that's being held in place by a bit of solder underneath. So that's still might need a ease that a bit, I think. There we go. Hopefully that'll spin alright. So, cut the arms. The diameter in the kettle is 38 inches. I've just gone for 30 centimeters. I've gone for 35 there, and then of course we're going to have the stop ends on. So, and then that will rotate like that. Okay, and then that bit will sit on the top, and that bit's going to go on there like that. Okay, so all we need to do now is drill some holes in the copper pipe and have them facing opposing ways, so to create the spin. Alright, so I'll get on with that and be back in a mo. Right then, so there's the holes drilled. Opposite size. Now, that's going to spin. Hopefully a bit better once the water gets in it. So, top tip. So when you tighten the nuts on here, you might like have your pipe, put the holes in where you want them. When you tighten the nut, the pipe's going to turn. Alright, so what we do when we fit fittings to storage tanks in the loft and things like that is we will tighten it up, and then you've crimped the olive onto the pipe, and then just loosen the nut, put the pipe where you want it, tighten the nut, and it's not going to leak because you've already crimped the olive. Alright, so that's what I've done there. So all we're going to do, put that on. Let's adjust this. There we are. So that's on like that. That bit's on there. There we are. On sparge arm. So I'm just going to put the cap ends on and we'll give it a test run. Right, so I had to finish this off the next day, ran out of time, had to go down to the pub and meet my mate, so, and good night it was. So anyway, I've had to redo that little bit of pipe in between because my normal brews are sort of up around here, so I think it's still a bit long, but we'll find out. Tomorrow I'm doing a 25 litre brew, so it should be alright. So anyway, let's give it a test out. Let's switch it on. Oh, let's get it in here, let's have a look. There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. That should rinse the grains pretty well, I think. Anyway, like I said, so I can't take credit for the design of the sparge arm. That was down to Shane Johnson at Bald Bastard Brewing, so go and check him out. He's got some good videos on there, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all soon. Cheers, my dears.